Today we'll be doing a cone fire with a Genesis Spark. From the home screen, press the fire button. Then select your firing type. Today we'll select the cone fire button. Your options for firing types may depend on the kiln manufacturer and the controller configuration. After selecting the firing type, choose your cone number. Next to the cone number, the top temperature is displayed. Press the forward arrow. On the next screen, you'll see the preheat time. This is optional. Enter the desired preheat time and press forward. Next, you'll see the speed options. Select your speed and then press forward. On the last screen, you'll see an optional hold time at the top temperature. Enter the time you desire for hold at the top temperature and press forward. After you've entered these 4 settings, you will see a review screen showing the cone number, top temperature, preheat, and speed, and hold at the peak temperature. On this page, you will also see the Start button, Details button, and Graph. The Details button allows you to view your segment details and copy the program. If you press the Start button, you are given the option to start now or on a delay. If you have a start code configured for the controller, you will first be asked to enter the start code before the controller will start the firing. After you have started the firing, you will see a screen reading the program you are running and the temperature. If you press the arrows for left or right, you will see other screens that will show you information during the firing. First, you will see the review screen again, showing the cone number, top temperature, preheat speed, and hold at the peak. There is another screen to show segment details for the current segment running. This also includes the output percentage. The final review screen available during a firing is the graph screen. We hope you have enjoyed this video demonstrating how to start a cone firing with a Genesis Spark. Thank you.